Okay, class 11. Now we are in complex number. We already started. So today we will continue from the addition of complex number. Addition of complex numbers. So number one is there are some properties of complex number. So number one is closure property. Closure property. It is also known as closure law. In closure law, the sum of two complex number is complex number. The sum of two complex numbers is complex number. Let Z1 and Z2 be complex numbers. Let us consider Z1 and Z2 be a complex number. So if you add these, you will get the complex number. Z1 plus Z2 is complex number. Complex number. So this is the closure law of complex number. Z1 plus Z2 is the closure law. Number two is commutative. Number two is commutative law. Commutative law. So in commutative law, Z1 plus Z2 equals to Z2 plus Z1. If you add Z1 and Z2, you get Z2 plus Z1. Means these two are equal. Z1 plus Z2 is equals to Z2 plus Z1. Suppose this is 2, this is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. Now this is 3, 2 is 5. In another way, we can take Z1 equals to A plus IB and Z2 equals to C plus ID. If you add Z1 plus Z2, so first we will add real part A plus C. A plus C. Now this from the imaginary part we can take I as common. I B plus D. Similarly, Z2 plus Z1 is C plus A are the real part. In imaginary part, D plus B. Now I is common. So these two are equal. A plus C or C plus A is same. B plus D or D plus B is same. So this is commutative law. Now next is associative law. Okay, for associative law, there are three complex number. For any three complex number, complex numbers, say Z1, Z2, Z3. So associative law is Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equals to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. It is associative law. And next is number 4 is additive identity. The existence of additive identity. Existence of additive identity. In additive identity, the given complex number should be added with 0. It gives same complex number, additive identity. Z is the complex number add with 0 gives same complex number, is additive identity. Then last is number 5 is additive inverse, the existence of additive inverse. Existence of additive inverse. It means complex number added with negative complex number gives the 0. So Z add with negative of Z. Complex number add with negative of complex number gives 0 is additive inverse. It is additive inverse. Now difference of complex number. Next is difference of complex number. In difference of complex number, let Z1 and Z2 be the complex numbers then Z1 minus Z2 is also a complex number. It is also a complex number. Difference of complex number is complex number. For example, if Z1 equals to 2 plus 3i and Z2 equals to 2 plus 2i, then find difference of two complex numbers Z1 minus Z2. So in solution we will start Z1 equals to 2 plus 3i and Z2 equals to 2 plus 2i. Now we have to calculate Z1 minus Z2. So Z1 is 2 plus 3i minus inside the bracket, this is 2 plus 2i is Z2. Z1 minus Z2. Okay. 2 plus 3i is Z1 and Z2 is 2 plus 2i. Now this equals to, so 2 plus 3i minus 2 minus into plus is minus 2i. So this equals to 2 minus 2 is 0. 3i minus 2i is only I. So this is also a complex number. So this is the difference of complex number. Now move to multiplication of complex number. Okay, so multiplication of complex number, let Z1 equals to A plus IB and Z2 equals to C plus ID. Now multiplication means product of two complex numbers. So Z1 into Z2 will be A plus IB into C plus ID. Now Z1 Z2 is equals to, here A plus IB, here is C plus ID. Now multiply A with C and ID. So A into C is AC plus IAD plus IBC plus I square BD. So this equals to AC plus, this is IAD IBC. Now we can take I as common, AD plus BC. So we know that the I square is minus 1 into BD. So Z1 Z2 equals to AC, so plus into minus is minus, BD plus I AD plus BC. So here we can write real part of Z1 into Z2 is, this part is real part, AC minus BD, and imaginary part of Z1 Z2 is AD plus BC. So now this is the multiplication of complex number. So in multiplication there are some properties. So number one is closure property. In closure law, this is multiplication. Here it is Z1 into Z2 only. So this is closure. This one is closure. So next is commutative law. Commutative law. In commutative law, Z1 into Z2 equals to Z2 into Z1. This is commutative. And number 3 is associative law. Number 3 is associative law. In associative law, there are 3 complex numbers: Z1 into Z2 Z3 equals to Z1 Z2 into Z3. Now this is associative law. Multiplicative identity. Number 4 is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. In multiplicative identity, if you multiply complex number with 1, you get same complex number. That is multiplicative identity. Then last one is multiplicative inverse. Number 5 is multiplicative inverse. If you multiply complex number with reciprocal of complex number, you get 1. So this is multiplicative inverse. Or in other words, we can say that Z into Z inverse equals to 1. So this is the multiplicative inverse or multiplicative inverse property of complex number. And last one is distributive law. Number 6, the distributive law. Distributive law. In distributive law, Z1 into Z1 plus Z2, Z2 plus Z3, this equals to Z1 Z2 plus Z1 Z3. It is number 1 property. In number 2, Z1 Z2 into Z3 equals to Z1 Z3 plus Z2 Z3. Now these are the properties which you have to learn first. Now this much for today. From next class we will start exercise 5.1. Thank you.